Hey guys, what's up? This is Geronimo and thank you for watching this video. And for today, we will unbox this Logitech MX Master 2S. So right off the bat, we can see the unifying USB, and after that, what we can get is the mouse itself already. So this is my first time owning one and I love it. Yes. For the past few years that I'm editing, I just use trackpad, so the experience is great and the workflow seems much better using this mouse. We also have this USB cable, but I tend to use this mouse wirelessly because I don't want any wires in my desk. So that's it for today. Thank you for watching this video. If you want to know more about photography, videography, editing, and vlogging, consider clicking the subscribe button.